How you can fix the pages not loading in the Opera GX. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is reinstall your Opera GX. For that you have to go into your Simple Opera, and from here you have to search for the Opera GX, and from here you just have to download the Opera again. And after that you just have to go into your current Opera, and from here you have to go in the update and the recovery. Now here you have to check any of the new update, and if it is not you just have to go in it. And from here you have to go in the recover, and you have to go in the keep my data and only reset Opera setting. You have to select this option and recover the Opera. And after that you just have to go back and you have to go into your Windows, and from here you have to go in the settings of your Opera. Now from here you have to go in the network and the internet, and you have to go in the advanced network settings, and from here you have to make sure that you are using the reliable internet connection that are secure. And if it is not, so you just have to restart and make sure that you are connected with the secure internet connection. And after that you just have to again go in the finder settings and go in the apps and click on the apps and the features, and here in the search apps you have to search for your Opera, and from here you just have to uninstall it and you have to reinstall your Opera again. So this is how you can fix this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.